Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Pre-Kindergarten Education Early Childhood Development exam? This is Praxis test code 5531. This problem set includes questions from the category of creating a developmentally appropriate learning environment. It focuses on assessing educators' abilities to design and maintain learning environments suitable for pre-kindergarten children. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Question number 1. Which of the following is an important aspect of managing a preschool classroom to ensure a conducive learning environment? Using only verbal communication without visual communication. Providing advanced academic instruction. Setting clear rules and consequences. Or assigning complex tasks to keep students challenged. In a preschool classroom, relying solely on verbal communication is not effective. Young children need visual cues and demonstrations to understand instructions. So we can cross that out. Advanced academic instruction can overwhelm them as they benefit more from age-appropriate, play-based learning. So we can also eliminate that. Assigning complex tasks leads to frustration since simpler structured activities suit their developmental stage. So let's rule that out as well. The best approach is to set clear rules and consequences. Consistent guidelines help create a structured environment, ensuring children understand expectations and consequences, which is essential for maintaining order and promoting positive behavior. Thus, setting clear rules and consequences is the correct answer. Question number 2. During a lecture, a student repeatedly interrupts the teacher with off-topic comments, thereby disrupting the flow of instruction. Which of the following strategies would be most effective for redirecting the student's behavior and maintaining focus on the lesson? Giving verbal reminders about raising their hand to speak. Asking the student to leave the classroom as a consequence. Engaging the student in a private conversation about their behavior. Or offering the student to stay quiet as a reward. Asking a student to leave the classroom is not effective as it removes them from learning and does not address the behavior. So let's rule that one out. Offering rewards for staying quiet is also not appropriate since it fails to teach proper etiquette. So let's eliminate that. While private conversations are important, they should happen after the lecture to avoid disruption. So we can also cross that out. The best strategy is giving verbal reminders to raise their hand. This reinforces rules non-confrontationally and keeps the focus on the lesson. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Question number 3. The cooperative learning element that involves members depending upon each other for success is known as which of the following? Positive interdependence, group processing, face-to-face interaction, or collaborative skills. Group processing is not the right term here, as it refers to reflecting on and assessing group performance for future improvement. So let's eliminate that. Face-to-face interaction is not correct either, as it focuses on direct communication among group members, not mutual reliance. So we can also cross that out. Collaborative skills are important, but relate to working effectively in a group rather than interdependence. So we can also cross that one out. The correct term is positive interdependence. This means group members rely on each other to succeed, making each person's contribution essential, fostering responsibility and cooperation. Therefore, positive interdependence is the correct answer. Question number 4. Which of the following principles of developmentally appropriate practice focuses on the importance of using play to teach children self-regulation and social skills? Principle of cognitive development, principle of language development, principle of socio-emotional development, or principle of physical development. The principle of cognitive development focuses on intellectual growth, not using play for social skills. So let's cross that out. Language development is about communication and not play for self-regulation. So let's also cross that out. Physical development covers motor skills and health, not socio-emotional growth. So we can also eliminate that. The correct principle is socio-emotional development, which uses play to teach children self-regulation, social skills, and empathy and cooperation. And therefore, principle of socio-emotional development is the correct answer. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the content area of creating a developmentally appropriate learning environment for the Praxis 5531 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Bye for now.